I am wondering if this is a better angle. Oh, okay, cute as bad. Okay, yeah. I'm actually gonna edit that out because that was kind of cringe. So that was a thumbnail. So I just got ready and then I'm gonna head to Ella's house for our little workout session. Like, we're gonna go to Toronto today. We're gonna hit up a bunch of like thrift stores and then I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. My goal is to buy like a varsity jacket that looks really vintage, something that like Colleen Diaz kind of has. So wish me luck.
I'm bringing shoes.
Why is it the biggest bag ever?
I'm so confused where we're going. It's like we're going on a beach trip or something.
It's time for school.
Come on, it's time for school. Wake up, man. It's a little chilly.
Oh, it's...
Is it chilly?
Ooh. Ooh. Liar?
We're trying to jog a little bit before we get to the track. It's literally right there. Ooh, it's a bit chilly. One of these. I can't even balance. Fuck, why can't I balance?
I bet I could beat you guys.
Huh?
Are you guys fast runners?
No. No. I am not fast. I don't know real speed. Oh yeah, it's burning, alright. I'm trying to make it to the camera at least. Stay strong for the camera. Ah! Oh yeah, fuck. I'll just cut it so because I got it.
Alright, that's definitely more than 50 meters.
What? Oh, we did become like really more on the other side.
Yeah, we did like 70 over there.
You know what? It's good we work with the left leg more. The left is always weaker, no? If you're right-handed.
And what are you wearing?
Wearing vintage Saint Laurent DKNY jeans, and this is, I don't know where it's from, but torso's out because, you know, we love good weather.
And then Ella?
Wearing dress from Prix. I don't know where this shirt is from. Shein. That's it. Is it Shein? Who is it Shein?
And then I'm just wearing the new Sugoi pants from Prix, the Ritzia shirt, and then I don't know, Levi's whatever jacket. We just got out of the subway, but like I'm starving, so I'm probably just gonna get like some food. So this is the jacket that I bought from the thrift store the other day. I forgot to show it to you guys, but this is it. I really like the color and then how like old it kind of looks, and then I'm pretty sure this is like real leather. I don't know for sure, but I really like it. The only thing that I'm not a fan of is these like little Velcro things that I am gonna try to like pick off almost. Like maybe there's like a seam ripper and then I can just take it off from under. But it's really warm. It's time to retire the teddy coat, so this is why I chose like a brown color as well. It has cinching in the back. This is what the back looks like. Even though it does get smaller over here, I still find that it has an oversized look, so I'm pretty happy about the size. Well, today I have a few items that I got from Prix and my mom made it. These are, I don't know if they're considered like small brands, but they're like brands from like creative artists. So I like to support them and buy their clothes because you can't get it anywhere else, and I don't care what anyone says. I feel like this is a timeless piece. I promised myself that I would be sticking to like more timeless pieces. But let's not talk about that right now, okay? Because I consider this timeless. The first runner-up is the Segoy pants from Prix. I think the creator, her name is like Esther. And I got these altered because the extra smalls were like still kind of big on me. My waist just wasn't, yeah, it just didn't. So this is what it looks like. This is like the bottoms. I know we can like unzip, like turn into shorts, into capris and stuff, but I don't, like, that's not how I want to wear it, so I'm not gonna show you that way. I like these because I don't have like a pair of like track pants yet, and the material feels like snow pants, and it's just like a really good like streetwear staple, and I don't have like loose black pants yet, so this is it. She's the one. The last one is timeless as well. It's just like this cute little halter top. It's like a bralette, and then the back is really nice because it stitches, it like connects like an actual bra. And I think it's cute. It'd be really cute with like the black pants that I bought. So this could even go with like any pair of sweats as well. So yeah. That's all I got. I also got this from Prix as well. It's like a little red dress. It's a cute summer dress that I have seen. Oh, whoa. Just opened it up. The material feels really nice. The texture looks like, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like very like, it looks like a corduroy texture. And then this is what it looks like. I don't know why I'm talking like this. It's just a cute little short red dress.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard.